You might have some questions about the remote in the classroom, which you might also refer to as a clicker or a slide advancer. Questions like, where is the remote? How do I use it? How do I charge it? We'll answer all those questions in this short video. To start using the remote, simply unplug it from its charging station near the instructor station computer. When presenting, you can use the button at the top to highlight parts of text or images. When using programs like PowerPoint or Google Slides, you can use the big button with the arrow pointing to the right to move between slides. You can also press and hold the Slide Advance button to start a presentation. The button with the arrow pointing to the left will navigate backward in your presentation. When you're done using it, plug it back into the charging station, which looks like this. Not like this. The remote will vibrate when it's plugged in correctly to let you know it's charging. Thankfully, these remotes have a 3-month battery life and only take minutes to fully recharge. But we want to not only keep the instructor station tidy, but also usable for the next person. If you have any questions about the classroom remote or any classroom technology, you can go to support.stedwards.edu to find classroom technology guides, FAQs, and more. You can also contact us using the contact form, sending an email, or using the phone at the instructor station desk to call classroom support during our business hours.